Is your skin making you feel older than you are? Let's fix that. Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the ultimate routine to combat both acne and aging. First off, cleanse your face twice daily with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser. This helps remove dirt and oil without stripping your skin. Next, use a toner with salicylic acid. It's incredible for keeping those pesky pimples at bay while also minimizing pores. Follow up with a serum packed with antioxidants like vitamin C. This superhero ingredient brightens your skin and fights off wrinkles. Don't skip on moisturizing. Choose a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates without clogging your pores. And lastly, always use sunscreen with at least SPF 30. It protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more amazing skincare tips. Thanks for watching.